This is the last set for algebraic modeling. So we are trying to represent the situation in mathematical form, right? And here in these examples, as you have noticed, the rate of change is constant, and therefore we can represent them in a linear relation of the form y equals to mx plus b, where m is the rate of change and b is the initial value, right? So again, in this set, I would like you to answer the questions and then look into my suggestions. The question here is, write an equation in the form of y equals to mx plus b, that's the linear model. State the meaning of x and y. Question number 9. For a pizza party, I need 4 slices of pizza per guest plus an extra 12 slices. So write down the equation and then move on to the next question. Question 10. A health club charges $30 initial membership fee plus $5 per day. A health club charges $30 initial membership fee plus $5 per day. So write an equation for this. You can stop the video, take your time, and then look into my suggestion. My solution is like this. Question number 9. For a pizza party, I need 4 slices of pizza per guest plus an extra 12 slices. That means 12 slices is fixed whether there is any guest or not. So that becomes the initial value, b, right? And the rate is, for every guest we need 4 slices. So rate of change, with every additional guest we need 4 more slices. Do you get my point? So the value of m, or the rate of change indicated here, is 4. Therefore the equation becomes y equals to 4x plus 12, right? Now you need to specify the meaning of x and y. So what is x here? X is the independent variable which represents number of guests, correct? And what is y? Y represents total number of pizza slices. So that is how you're going to explain it, okay? Now question 10. Health club charges $30 initial membership fee. So the initial membership fee, that means b, is $30 plus $5 per day. So the rate of change, that means every day additional $5, correct? Therefore the equation is y equals to 5x plus 30. Now what is x here? X is number of days and y is the total amount charged, correct? 30 is initial and 5 per day. So that is how you need to explain the meaning of your variables and your equation. I hope by the end of this set you have understood how to use this equation y equals to mx plus b to represent a situation where there is a constant rate of change. Let me summarize for you here now. So we have this equation y equals to mx plus b. So every time what you noticed was that m is rate of change, correct? And b is initial value, right? Initial value. Value when independent variable was 0. If you put this 0, then the dependent variable is equal to initial value. So that is how they are related, correct? So x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. So let me write down here, x represents independent variable. And y represents dependent variable. So that summarizes the gist, that gives you the gist of what we have learned in these set of 10 questions. Now we'll move on to more descriptive questions. Thank you and all the best.